Listening, Certification Audit Conversation, an office at Global Manufacturing. Elena Rossi, Quality Manager, is meeting with Marco Bianchi, Production Manager, to discuss the upcoming ISO 9001 certification audit.
Thanks for making time to meet, Marco. As you know, our ISO 9001 certification audit is starting in 2 weeks. I wanted to discuss how we will prepare your department.
Of course. I've never been through one of these audits before. What will happen exactly?
The auditors will spend 3 days on site. They will review our documentation, will observe our processes, and will interview staff at all levels. For production, they are going to focus on process controls, monitoring and measurement, and product conformity.
That sounds intensive. Will they interview all my staff?
Not everyone, but they will select a sample. They are particularly interested in speaking with process operators and line supervisors. The lead auditor is coming to the production area on the second day. He will spend about 3 hours there.
I'm a bit concerned. Some of my team members are going to be nervous talking to external auditors. How can I prepare them?
That's a common concern. First, I am organizing a briefing session for your team next Tuesday at 2 p.m. We will cover what to expect and how to respond to auditor questions. The key is to be honest and straightforward.
Will the auditors try to catch us out with tricky questions?
No, that's a common misconception. They aren't coming to trap us or find fault. They will verify that our quality management system meets the standard requirements and that we are following our documented processes. Think of them as external experts who will help us improve.
That's reassuring. What about our quality records? We have been working on improving our documentation, but I'm not sure everything is perfect yet.
The auditors will expect to see evidence that we are monitoring our processes and taking action when needed. They won't expect perfection, but they will look for consistency and a commitment to improvement. Before the audit, we are going to review your department's records to identify any gaps.
What happens if they find problems?
If they identify nonconformities, we will have the opportunity to implement corrective actions. Minor issues won't prevent certification as long as we address them appropriately. Only major system failures would stop us from achieving certification.
I see. And after the audit?
If we're successful, we will receive our certificate within a few weeks. Then we will have surveillance audits annually to maintain certification. The certification is going to be valid for 3 years, after which we will undergo recertification.
What can I do to help ensure we pass?
First, make sure your team understands our quality policy and objectives. The auditors will ask about these. Second, review your process metrics and be prepared to explain any trends or issues. And finally, be honest about challenges. The auditors will appreciate transparency.
Are you arranging any final preparations before the audit?
Elena.
Yes, we are conducting a final internal audit next week. The results will help us address any last-minute issues. I am also preparing an audit schedule that will show exactly when the auditors will visit each department. I will send that to you by Friday.
That sounds good. I will make sure my team is available and prepared. I am also going to review our process documentation one more time.
Perfect. Remember, this audit is not going to be just about getting the certificate. It's an opportunity to receive valuable feedback on our quality management system from external experts. We will learn from the experience, regardless of the outcome.
I understand. We will be ready, and I'm actually looking forward to demonstrating our improvements. The team WEI has been working hard on our quality initiatives.
That's the right attitude. I will stop by your department early next week to answer any final questions. and don't hesitate to contact me if concerns arise before then.
Thanks, Elena. I will let you know if anything comes up.